Hello dear students, welcome to the week of Commerce and Management Academy. Today we'll see methods of recruitment or techniques of recruitment. How we can recruit the employees. There are many methods. You must know as a HR. If you are studying even the HRM subject, this is one of the important topic. You cannot ignore it. Methods of recruitment or techniques of recruitment. So this total methods of recruitment or techniques of recruitment is mainly three parts. First one is internal, external and online. Internal means inside of organization. They are recruiting the employees by themselves only, no externals. Suppose say in one organization 100 employees are there. 100 employees among themselves only they are recruiting, they are shifting from one place to another place in any method, no outsider. That is why we say it as an internal recruitment. Very easy to understand. Internal, how we can recruit the employees? Same 100 employees, no change. Not 101 or 99 or 105, no. 100 will be as it is. But internally recruitment, how it is possible? There are many ways. The one way is that promotion, giving promotion to the employees. Now suppose the employee A is there. For him giving promotion, so he got one position to another position. That is also recruitment. As per the need, as per the requirement, through the promotions we can recruit the employees. Where employees are excess, we'll promote somebody to another department or another position where there is requirement is there. So in such cases, through promotion we can recruit the same company employees as it is in the same organization. Another one is job posting. Job posting means one department to another department we are recruiting the employees, means changing the nature of job from one department to another department. Suppose the A is there. A is an employee. He is working in department 1. So we are transferring him to department 2. From this department to department 2 we are transferring. When we are transferring, that is called as job posting. Same organization. And another way is employee referral. Employee referral means here employee is referring somebody to some other post. Maybe outsider he is referring or insider he is referring. Whenever employee is referring, so that would be much reliable, and also most of the organizations are feeling this type of recruitment is quite easy and no wastage of time, no wastage of money. That is through the reference of employee recruiting other employees. Next one, demotion. This is very rare case it happens. Suppose say employee who is not working, irresponsible employee is there, who is least bothered about the job. In such case, we are demoting. Demotion. Generally, most of the time promotion, very rarely it happens. So same employee will see A. A is not at all working very well, and he is showing his absenteeism and irresponsible. So he is in one position. Position suppose say 1. This position he is. We are demoting him. Demoting him to downside position. Downside position. Sub position say. So we are demoting. This is also recruitment. Maybe their services are required. Here some services are required. People are less. So we need to appoint somebody, demote him and then fill that vacancy. And at this position maybe there are many employees. In such cases, through demotion also we are recruiting the employees. Next one, moonlighting. Moonlighting means this is also a type of recruitment. Most of the organizations are doing it. Simple. Whenever there is a burden, there is a lots of responsibility, there is a lots of work. In such cases, they are giving overtime to the employees. Say A is an employee. He is working around 8 hours in a day. 8 hours. Make him more hours. Add him, say 6 hours extra. Extra 6 hours. Means 8 plus 6 comes to 14 hours. 14 hours we are making him to work. Like any department, any selected employees, you can just give them extra job. Means 1.5 job. Like that, then we call it as a moonlighting. This is most of the organizations are following, because whenever there's a lot of burden work to be completed and employee shortage is there, skilled employee shortage is there, then they are following this. So this is internal recruitment only. Now let's go for external. External recruitment means here we are taking support from outsiders, not from the organization. Outsider support we are taking, and through that we are recruiting the employees. This external recruitment is into three parts. First one is direct, indirect, and third party. Let's focus on the direct. Direct means companies directly recruiting the employees. How they can recruit the employees? One way is campus placements. You know it. In many organizations, many education institutions, the companies are directly visiting and recruiting the candidates. They get skilled employees at very less cost, and ample number of choice is there. They can select the right candidate, best choice. This is through the campus. They can select the employees. Another one is special events, job fairs, any other events are conducting. There you are entering, and you are also recruiting the employees on behalf of your company. This is on any special event. This is also direct recruitment. So like directly we can recruit the employees. Another one is indirect. Indirect means directly company is not doing anything, but indirectly they are recruiting the employees. How? One is advertisement. Advertisement they can give in newspaper or any websites or any other place. They can give the advertisement through advertisement and TV also. Nowadays in TV advertisement it is very less. Once upon a time people used to give advertisement even in TV also. Special news they used to give. So TV, radio, through radio also you can find some employment news, recruitment news. So through that, and also newspapers, of course it's quite common. The newspaper just give an advertisement on behalf of your company, so that all the needy people, candidates, all the candidates, required candidates, they'll be visiting, and easy to give the message, easy to spread the message to many people. So this is through the newspaper. And also magazines also you can, some employment exchange magazines, special magazines are there, you can give the advertisement like this. These are the indirect methods, direct, indirect. Next one is third party. Third party means who are mediator between the candidate and the company. So the mediators, they are third party. That is why we are saying them as third party. Through third party, how we can go recruitments means like employment exchange. This is very popular. In every state, every city, you'll find the employment exchange. The candidates means especially students when they have completed their education like BCom, MBA or BTech, whatever may be the course. After completion of immediately their course, they'll be enrolling themselves in the employment exchange. So employment exchange will be providing opportunities. Companies can directly meet the employment exchange according to the candidates requirement. They'll be sending the message to the direct candidates. This is through the employment exchange. Nowadays people are not following, but once upon a time it was famous. And walk-ins, walk-in interview you can conduct through websites or through any way. You can just say that so and so date, so and so time. Walk-in interviews, eligibility criteria and job description, everything you can just provide it through the website or through agencies. Walk-in means everybody will come over there. Easy to recruit the employees, isn't it? So this is another way through the third party. And also private and public contractors are there, few people. So they are mediators between the company and the candidates. Through them also you can recruit the employees. And also consultants and contractors. Especially for recruitment point of view, consultants are there. Their job is recruiting the employees. They're working like contractors. So I'll provide you 10 members of candidates. So for that I'm charging so and so. Consultants, they'll be benefited, and candidates are happy. Company is also happy because job is done quickly without much delay. So like consultants. So third party, through third party also we can recruit the employees. We are talking about the external. In external, direct, indirect, third party. So internal, external is over. Now coming to the third one, online. Through online you can just go ahead for the recruitment. First one is job sites. This total online recruitment we call it as a e-recruitment. E-recruitment means directly through online you are recruiting. In e-recruitment, first one, job sites. Particular job sites are there like naukri.com, monster.com. So these sites, they are providing only the information related to the vacancies. This is quite easy to access the companies as well as candidates, because these sites, they are not charging anything from the candidate and also not from the companies. Free of cost, easy to access. Just give advertisement in so and so website, so that they'll give the information. The news will be spreading to the candidates quickly without much delay, and required results you are going to get. So that's through the job sites, and agency sites also there, and professional bodies and websites especially, they are working for this recruitment only, those people. And media sites are there, and also company websites. So any of this is going to work out for recruiting the employees, simple way. But only the thing is, you have to be very careful that which site is much useful. Select the proper site. And how about the results? And are they going to give the quick services, quality services? Everything you have to check. And once if you decide that recruitments are required and how many vacancies are there, in which department we need services, what would be the qualification, what would be the GD, job description, and all these things, once if you decide, then you have to think about the recruitment method. Whether you want to go for internal means so many methods are there. External here, direct, indirect, and also third party. External shall be go or online. So which method is good? This a glance of the information which is required for you all. Then you can select which method is good. Hope it is clear. Screenshot? Yes, take. It's important topic and also easy way to understand. Just to understand the table, and then after that you can just write for everything. Only 2 lines is enough, not much required. So we'll cover more topics related to the HRM subject. Stay connected. Don't forget to share this video. Good luck.